Welcome to the Homzinterio factory. Let us take you through this 15,000 plus square feet magnificent manufacturing facility in Homzinterio. It begins with the raw material. We source only premium grade plywood and HDHMR, but even the best wood needs the best hands, or in this case, the best technology. We believe that great design is nothing without perfect execution. You see the glossy finish in your home, but we want to show you the sweat, the science, and the precision that makes it possible. They say the soul of a home is in the people who live in it, but the backbone? That starts right here. This is where your Pinterest boards, your saved images, and your dreams actually take shape. Our facility is equipped with state of the art imported machinery. Watch this precision cutting. There is no room for estimation here. Every cut is calculated by software to the millimeter, ensuring that when your wardrobe arrives, it fits your wall exactly. Next, the edge banding. This is where longevity happens. Our machines apply pressure and heat to seal the edges perfectly, making them moisture resistant and giving that seamless, high-end look that defines a home's interior product. But machines are only as good as the people running them. While we rely on technology for precision, we rely on our master craftsmen for the soul. Every panel passes through human hands. Once approved, it's time to suit up for the journey. Packaging is an art form here. We use multi-layered protection, foam, bubble wrap, and reinforced corner guards because we know the roads can be rough. Every package is labeled with your project details, ensuring that installation at your site is smooth, organized, and hassle-free. From raw wood to a wrapped masterpiece, this is the journey of your interiors. Precision engineered, passionately crafted. This is Homzinterio. Let's bring the magic home.